Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best advanced PDF editor software. With the help of this platform, you can edit any types of PDF, convert PDF to Word or merge PDF, and so many features are available on this platform. How to access, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. This is the platform, the advanced PDF editor, the ultimate PDF editor, the software available for Windows and Mac as well. I already added this link in video description. I just simply download the software for my Mac. So here, the software size is very less. You just simply install the software. After clicking, just simply drag and drop. I already installed the software, so I skip it this one. I just simply open the software. This is the software. After installation, you can see here so many options are available. Open PDF, create PDF, recent file, and some other features. Look at this here. Edit PDF, convert PDF, merge PDF, add note, compress PDF, signature of the PDF, and protect the PDF. So many features the single platform are providing us. We just simply go with edit PDF. And I just simply select here my resume. If I want edit this PDF, edit content, so look at this here. Now you can edit the content or just simply add here I just simply add here. And one of the important point come here, font is not changed. I use several different software as well. So if you edit something or you add some text or content, so font is automatically changed. But this software by default providing you exactly which font you previously used. So that one is really nice. If you want change some mobile number as well, features, accordingly you should modify the PDF or increase the length as well. It's really nice. Or afterwards you just say convert, save as this file. So I just simply say CV and change the location as the desktop, save the file, and let's see, here is my file, and I open. So look at this here, this name is changed and here is the data I already changed accordingly. So that one is really nice. Using this platform, you can very easily edit the PDF. Apart from that, recent file is showing here. You can convert as a PDF to Word as well. First of all, I just simply select here file, only file or entire folder you can consider. This is the file and convert as a Word. Okay. Open. I just simply open, so automatically file is open in Word file. And let's see exactly format and rest of all the information as it is reflect as we looking. That one is really nice. Second thing, you can merge the PDF as well. You can select as a multiple PDF file and merge together. So I just simply say 1, 2 and 3 and just simply merge 3 files accordingly. The 14 pages merged together. This is the simple video related on PDF editor software. If you are looking PDF edit, convert Word or merge the PDF, so definitely you should download the software and access the software features. Link is available on video description. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.